Hey there. Okay, so I wanted to show you really quick how to get in here and create this page. So I'm going to go back to your dashboard. I was kind of using this for the other video. So for you, it's really easy to create this. So all you have to do is go over here and go to Pages, Add New, and it might look a little bit different over here. You can ignore this thing, just exit out. We don't use that ever. Put the title of your post here. So I'm going to put test 2. I'm going to go in and delete these in a few minutes. But you'll want to hit save draft because otherwise it won't save this. And then you'll come back and go, oh, this is jacked up. And then you'll want to use Divi Builder. And then you could either choose this, you can choose any of them, but it'll bring this up except for the build your own. I believe I have, yeah, I don't have an opt-in page here. So you can just go to your existing pages. I always choose pages because then it kind of clears out the other stuff. And then just choose any of the ones that already exist. So I'm just going to use this pharmacy opt-in April. It's kind of the general layout for what you want. And then instead of using Bloom, I'm going to actually have you pull it straight in from the other video from ConvertKit for a couple of reasons. But the first being Bloom is being very temperamental ever since there's been so many, and you'll see right here, there's actually another update. I've already done 3 updates on your website today, but there's constantly updates going on. And with every update, it seems to break Bloom more and more. So you'll just want to hover over the garbage can for this form and hit that, and then go up to this and you'll see the little plus sign to add a new module. We're going to hit plus, and then we're going to choose the one that's called code. And then we're going to go back to our ConvertKit form, which is over here. In the previous video, I showed you how to get the embed code. And we're just going to hit copy right here. And then we're going to go back to our page and we're going to hit Command V because you're on a Mac. And that's going to paste it in here. Hit the arrow and you'll see this is your form. Sometimes it doesn't load everything. So I know for sure when we look at this that this form has the kitty cat in the background. So I know that it hasn't loaded everything, and that's just because in the builder it doesn't necessarily load everything. But here's your form. So once we hit publish, and then if we go to exit builder, exit visual builder up here, you're going to see your form actually looks the same as what it does over in when I say in ConvertKit. So this right here, we won't spend, I don't know that, I thought by just, oh, right here, by changing the color to white, yeah, it's still there. So there's really no way to hide that. But I thought I had changed all of those things so that they went away. But if we get rid of this picture right here of the cat, we just throw it away, then it goes away. Unfortunately, that means we have to change it. We have to copy the embed code again. And because this code, when you change it, it doesn't change on your website unless you go in and change it. So I'll just show you what that looks like. If we refresh this page, even though we just made those changes in ConvertKit, they're not showing up over here because the code we've put in here is telling it pull this form and it looks like this. And so now this is a good test. So when we go in here and you need to change this form, if we just go in here and select this and hit Command A, it's going to select everything. We can delete it, put the new code in there with our Command V, go back to our dots, hit save, exit Visual Builder, and we'll see there's our form. And that actually looks a little better because you already have your picture here. So that's all you have to do. It's so much easier, and then it tracks all of your stuff directly in ConvertKit. So if you have any questions, let me know.